know you moved on to someone new. Whole life is beautiful. You were the light for me to find my truth. I just wanna say thank you. Leaving to find my soul. Told her I had to go. And I know it ain't pretty when our hearts get broke.
This is Michelle and John Kaselke with Boston and Brantley. We are the proud owners of the Tiki Hut. We've been here for 10 years and we love the small town atmosphere.
And we love all the friends coming to the Tiki Bar and hanging out. Beautiful people, beautiful place, the best place to be.
We're the Weinigers, and we've been here at the lake 31 years.
My favorite thing to do at Lake Holiday is to sit on my deck and watch the bald eagle fly.
And I like it because all of our kids and grandkids come here, and so we don't have to go anywhere else. I also like spring and fall when I can take the kayak up and down the lake and it's very quiet.
My name is Brent Weiniger. I've been here 25 years, and my wife's named Linda, and she likes to float on the lake and I like to barefoot ski.
Nothing to show for it now.
Good boy.
Me when I'm drunk, remind me of what I've done.
I'm Joanne Russell, and I have lived at Lake Holiday for 11 years. And my favorite thing about Lake Holiday is the mornings and the sparkle of the water, the quietness, and the friendliness of all the people that live here.
Hi, we're Dick and Darlene Harpold, and we've lived on the lake since 1979. And what I like most about the lake is the water and being in it and enjoying it.
And what I like about it is the water, the boating, and just being here so I can do some yard work.
Cigarettes in the ashtray.
Benny Mahan, my husband Ed. We've lived on the lake for 17 years now. We love it. My favorite thing is probably coming down on Friday afternoon. We're not here year round, but Friday afternoon, seeing friends, eating, drinking, just having a great time.
The biggest thing to me was raising all of our grandkids down here on the water. It's been a great experience for them and us.
Used to always think I'd get you back by.
Hi, I'm Greg Hunt, and I've lived here for 25 years. And the best thing about living at Lake Holiday is every day is a holiday. Every day is like being on vacation when you walk out the back door. It's a great place to live. With all the great community and the great people around here, it's like a large family.
I'm BJ Newton. I've lived here 10 days, and my favorite thing about living out here is living on the water and our cool community we've got out here.
I'm Dylan Newton. I've lived here for 2 years. My favorite thing out here, probably an early morning ski session.
Hi, we're the Days, and these Days have lived here for 54 years. We've lived here 33. He's lived here 29, and this little guy's been here 4 months.
What we like about living here at the lake is we're able to bring a lot of different people here together and just enjoy the community, enjoy the lake, the beach, and just have a good time.